8-station heat press machine, version 6.0 workflow. First, place the garment. System auto pre-presses to flatten fabric. Smart robotic arm places the film, eliminating manual alignment errors. Perform constant temperature heat pressing based on preset parameters. Rapid cold pressing reduces temperature to prepare for film peeling. Visual capture system enables rapid film peeling. Perform a final repress for color fixation. Finally, system automatically unloads the finished garment. X-Press version 6.0 heat press. Say goodbye to tedious tasks, embrace intelligence.